Hi, my name is Stacy with WTI, and I was looking for a lunch bag that was sturdy and leak proof and just overall held everything that I wanted to have with me. This one from Maelstrom did the trick, and I wanted to share some of its great features with you. This is a 23-liter lunch bag. Now, if that's hard for you to comprehend, then picture being able to put everything that you need in every pocket possible without having to have problems closing the bag. That's exactly what this bag does. The bag has lots of compartments, it has lots of small spaces as well as big spaces so that you can have everything with you. It even has a pocket on the side that will hold tissues for you, and they're easy to get out thanks to that little opening in the side. The bag is also expandable, so it has a top section that can be smaller if needed, but also expand to hold up all your extra items. The handles are nice and sturdy, made of a good, strong canvas, and the lunch bag itself is completely waterproof. So it's made of a great nylon fabric that holds everything in. If you like to have everything with you that you need, then you need to go with a lunch bag that's going to keep everything nice and dry and also be very sturdy for you. This is a great option. I love using this bag, and I'm super happy because it's probably the best lunch bag that I've ever had. And that's my point of view.